Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to clip and rasterize soil polygons in ArcGIS. The soil dataset for this video tutorial is DSMW data, a FAO digital soil map of the world. For this data downloading, you can see and follow the previous video tutorial in this World Soil playlist in my YouTube channel. So in this screen, you can see the DSMW shapefile, the vector data I've downloaded. With this data, you may need to clip some portion of these soil polygons for your study area and rasterize it if you would like to proceed the other job processing for your required work. So in this video, I will focus on this Mekong Delta area as my study area. Actually, I already prepared for this Mekong Delta area's extent with the DEM data. So I will start with that DEM data for clipping this DSMW soil polygon. Okay. So in this case, you need to make just a new document in the ArcGIS platform. And I will open prepared DEM data already projected with specific projections. Okay, so let's check that projection on the property. You can find this source tab to check the projection for this data's spatial reference system. So this case UTM zone 48 nodes data I already use for this DM, and the grid cell size would be 30 meter by 30 meter. So I will use this data as my study area with this extent. Okay, so in this point I will open the DSMW shapefile. So firstly, you can find this unknown spatial reference. So you need to define this data's spatial reference system. So in this search tab in ArcGIS platform, you need to type define projection. And then you can find this tool, define projection data management tool. Click open, and then you need to select this DSMW file, and coordinate system is unknown. In this case, we should select geographic coordinate system with world and then WGS 9084. This one. Just click OK and OK. Now we define this soil polygon data's projection, okay, with the geographic reference system. Not projected one. So this is just not projected one yet, but in this video I will just clip with this extent for this soil data, as well as project this soil data with this DEM's same spatial reference system. Okay. For make those object processing, we need to require some tool in here. Polygon to Raster in the search box. So you can click this tool, this conversion tool, Polygon to Raster. So in this Polygon to Raster tool, you can find the very firstly input features. So I will use this DSMW for clipping and rasterizing with the right projection with the DEM data. Okay. So I already selected DSMW, and the value field would be FAO soil. I just select this one, and then you need to define your folder to save this data. Okay, So in my case on here, I will type soil 30 meter PRJ, projected one. Okay. And then you can find the cell size. I will use 30 meter, the same grid cell size with the DM data. After that, you need to define the environment for this job processing as well. So please expand this processing extent. So at the extent, you need to check, you need to select the same as layer as LTM, this DM data. Actually, this job used this extent for clipping that the soil data. Okay, and then some raster. This adjusts the grid cell size with the existing DM's one. So the generated soil's raster data's the grid cell size will be exactly matched with the DM grid cell size with the 30 meters with the same position. Okay, so click OK, and then we are ready to run this the Polygon tool raster tool. So just click OK. So I just selected a small portion of this soil data. So job would be quickly done. So okay, it's done. So uncheck this DSMW. So you can find this clipped soil data. Actually, this would be raster data. So if you make a zoom on here, some part of that, so you can find a very small grid cell size on here. This would be 30 meter by 30 meter grid cell with the same exactly match with the same position and the same size with the DEM grid. Okay, so you can easily match this generated the soil grid cell with this DM's existing grid cell. Okay, so you can use this processed soil raster data for your required modeling work. Okay. Also, you can change this symbology with the property symbology and unique values, and then select color scheme with this color. Okay, so apply. Okay, so you can change these colors for the soil data with the symbology tab on the property on this data. Okay, so with this video's demonstration, you can clip and rasterize the DSMW soil data using any grid cell sized raster data for your study area to match the extent and pixel size required for your data. Thank you for watching.